Hey everybody, it's Linnea here for ThermOWeb. I'm using some new products from the Laura Kelly release to create a fun little summer card. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my foiling. I'm using the Flamingo Pink foil transfer sheets from Laura Kelly, and I'm going to be foiling the Wacky Waves toner sheet. I love these toner sheets because these are sized at 5 3/4 inches square, and the foil transfer sheets are sized at 6 by 6 inches square, so you can very easily foil a complete toner sheet with one piece of foil, and you don't have to really worry about lining anything up. Before I do my foiling, I have my laminator heating up off to the side so that it'll be nice and hot when I'm done blending on my toner sheet. There are lots of ways to add color to the toner sheets, and you can leave them with a white background and add some foil on the top. But I love to add some color with Copics or watercoloring, or today I'm just doing a little bit of ink blending. I have two colors of green, doing darker at the bottom and lighter up at the top, and as I was ink blending, I was just thinking of something bright and summery, and I ink blended and I thought that this looked just like a watermelon. And especially since I'm going to be using that Flamingo Pink foil transfer sheets from Laura Kelly, it's really going to look like a watermelon vibing card. Before I go ahead and add the foil, I'm going to just take a clean microfiber cloth. I know it looks dirty. It's because that's what I use to clean my stamps with, but it has been run through the washer, so it is clean. And I'm just going to rub off any extra ink or debris that may be on top of the toner sheet. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab a piece of the Flamingo Pink foil transfer sheets from Laura Kelly and a deco foil parchment sheet or parchment paper carrier sheet. Put this little sandwich together and run that through my laminator. Remember that when you are foiling, you want the back of your foil to have contact with your medium, and you want the pretty side of your foil to be up. I ran that through my laminator, and check this out. Look at that pretty flamingo pink background with that green ink blending on the Wacky Waves toner sheet. It's super cute. I absolutely love this. And remember that you can keep your negative piece of foil and use that with deco foil toner sheets to get second use or another life out of your foil. I'm going to go ahead and do some simple Copic coloring. I am using the Kindness on Purpose stamp set from Laura Kelly. I was getting those watermelon vibes from my background, and I looked through my stamp stash and I didn't have any large watermelon images. So I decided to take this little cupcake from the Kindness on Purpose stamp set and color this up in watermelon colors, because if you can't have watermelon, the next best thing is to have a watermelon colored cupcake. So my greens, I'm using YG17, YG25, and YG03, and just going with my darkest color into my medium and then into my lightest color. I want the icing of both of my cupcakes to be white, so I'm using C2, C1, C0, and a little bit of a colorless blender to blend those colors together. And then my pinks, I'm using RV04, 13, and 21. And I'm just going to differ the colors on my cupcakes just a little bit. So this first one, I have the green wrapper, and I'll color the heart and the sprinkles with my pink color combination. And for my second cupcake, I will have the pink wrapper, and the sprinkles and the heart on top will be with my green color combination. So kind of just opposites on these two cupcakes, but they both have watermelon colors. Once I was done, I used my scissors and I fussy cut around them, leaving a slight white border, and I also cut out a cute little sentiment from that Kindness on Purpose stamp set. I keep all of my toner sheet scraps. So these toner sheets are from a live that I did on the ThermOWeb YouTube channel a couple of months ago, where I used the Sweet Swirls toner sheets with Magic Wand Silver foil, and then I used the Baby Swiss toner sheet with Carrot Orange foil. And all of these products are from the Laura Kelly line. I had foiled them in a live and used them on a project, but I had these little scraps left over, and I thought that they looked really cute with the background that I did for today's video. So I started building my card together, and I glued the yellow and the blue background onto my card. I used 1/16 inch foam tape from the jumbo tape rolls from Deco Foil and iCraft, and popped up my watermelon piece. And I thought something was missing, or it was too busy somehow. So when something is too busy, you either need to take something away or bring in something that's going to break up that busyness. So I took another baby Swiss toner sheet and I cut it with the Trinity Stamps Dainty Scalloped Edge die and had that hanging off the left-hand side of my card, and it kind of breaks up all of those patterns. I did not add any color or any foil to this piece, so that black and white gives a little break to the eye. I mounted that onto my card using the 1/16 inch jumbo foam tape roll, and then used some Decofoil 3D squares to add my cupcakes and my sentiment on top of my card. And this is my finished project. I hope that this brings a little bit of happiness and some watermelon vibes into your life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you again soon. Bye.